Two ducks are playing in the yard. There are so many trees and flowers.
Look at this beautiful garden. You are right. It's a perfect place for a swim and a snack.
Suddenly, it starts to rain.
Oh no! It's raining. Oh boy, come on. Let's have some fun. All right. Why not?
The two ducks splash around in the rain, quacking out, giggling with delight.
This is so much fun. Ah, yes. I've never had so much fun in the rain before.
The two ducks continue to play in the rain until they are both soaked to the bone.
I think we're starting to get a little cold. Maybe we should head inside for a while. But I don't want to stop playing. We can always come back out later when the rain has stopped. Quick, let's find some shelter. Where can we go? There, let's go under the eaves of the neighbor's house. I'm glad we found a place to stay dry. That was close. I hope it stops raining soon. Me too.
The two ducks sit in silence for a moment, watching the rain fall.
You know, I'm glad we're friends. Friends are always there for each other, no matter what the weather is like. That's right.